Any glasses? All right, out here in Highland Township, Highland, Michigan, working out by the lake. And we had a pool. It's in bad shape. Needs a lot of work. Doing tile, coping, marcite. We're gonna replace the coping with cobblestone brick, 4-inch safety grip bullnose brick. And working on the bond beam right now. You can see it's pretty damaged there. It's getting rotted, so we're gonna have to build that back up. So you take the bad stuff out, jackhammer it all out, go around till it's all out, clean it all up, go around the pool. This pool, actually, somebody put fiberglass on it, and then they painted it, and then it's over paint. It was painted one time already, then they fiberglassed over the paint. So, I mean, you know, when you re-marcite a pool or re-plaster a pool, this was born and made with plaster, you know, that's what you should use. Go back with the original material, otherwise it's not going to stick. It won't stick there, see? All this is going to have to come off. You got to tear all this stuff off here. Actually, this marcite here is actually really smooth. I don't know why they did that. It doesn't make a lot of sense. But, yeah, we'll get you some more video later. Here's these guys over here. They just happen to wander down the street here. Probably gonna hire them. You know, they look like they know what they're doing. All right, check back in later. Sparker Pool Service.